Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I was not active these days, but you all have that days when you don't feel like doing anything. But now I'm back with a few products that I've got from Nykaa, so let's just review these. What say? Keep watching. So this is the first product that I bought from Nykaa. This is My Glam Lit LIT. So this is a nice cute packaging. I hope you can see this. Yeah. So I'll open this for you guys. I've got some nice cute pink shades. This is how it looks. Okay, so you've got two shades in one. This is not nail paint, this is lipstick. So these are two shades. See this one, and this is the other one. This shade is called what? Flower Child 02. I'll try these on and I'll tell you how this looks on me. Okay, so I've put on the shade. This nice neon pink color that really looks good on my skin and would also look good on dark skin, I guess. According to me, it will look really good on dark skin as well. Pretty, right? And this costed me $5.45 for like these two shades. I'll try the second one. This is a little lighter version, but I'm loving this lipstick. Oh, it looks nice. I'll remove this one and put this one on for you guys. So I've put on this other lipstick, so you can see the shade. It's a bit lighter, but still this is also a neon shade for pink, and even this looks pretty good. The application for this is also good. This is a small applicator. You have big applicators wherein it becomes very difficult. We're like, and this is really good. Smooth application, and I really liked it. And the formula is also really good. It is really good pigmented and glides on smooth. I pretty much like it. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite out of these two. I'll tell you the shade again. It's Flower Child 1 and 2, and this costed me around $5.45. Pretty good for the price, I feel. So let's review the second product now, which is the Maybelline White Kajal. I've never tried this, but I've seen people trying this and I have good reviews. So let me just try this. I have nothing on my eyes now. I'll put it in and show you how does this look on me. I have put on this white kajal now. It is good. It is really pigmented, and this is a roll-on stick, so it is very easy for you guys to just roll it up and put it on the eyes. I don't know if this looks good on me or not, but okay, not bad. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section if you like it or not. I kinda like it. Black is my go-to kajal. I'm trying this for the first time, so maybe I'll get used to this. but then okay, let's see. Maybe if it settles, till then I'll review some more products that I've got from Nykaa. So the next product that I'm going to apply is this sugar liquid lipstick. I haven't tried this shade before, so I'm doing it for the first time. But just see now, the packaging is so cute. You just to do this, doing, and it's so pink. Look, like it's nice and sleek. Look, so this is how this looks. I'll tell you the shade. The shade is 09 Capella. You can see here. So I'll try this one. So I've put on this lipstick, this one, the sugar one, and I haven't tried this kind of shade before. I think this looks nice. This looks hot. The application for this is also really good, smooth, really pigmented, as this is a dark color. You can see it is really pigmented, and started liking this color. I should get some shades in this now, I feel. Okay, so the cost for this lipstick is 1200 rupees, but then I got it in sale flat 40 or 30 I guess, and I got it for 745 rupees. So that was a steal deal. Sorry, I forgot to mention the cost for this Maybelline White Kajal is 345. So you can see this. This is kind of the shade that I have done, but these are extensions. This is not the same one. Because of the extensions, I cannot just put and show you how does this look. But then these shades look pretty nice and into me. The second one is this is matte red. This one is this is matte nude shade. And one more I have. This is from Lakme. I've got this nude shade. This also looks pretty good. Yeah, these were the products that I've got from Nykaa. I've also got this free gift from Sugar. This is a small, cute looking hairbrush, travel hairbrush. I already got hair on. So this is also nice, cute. Free gifts are anyways nice, you know. Every girl likes free gifts. So yeah. Do like, share, comment and subscribe, and do let me know if you want me to do more of these kinds of haul. And please support guys. Thank you.